both go at the same time because you're not crossing each other's path.
Yeah.
Alright, so train tracks, they just want you to exaggerate your head movement a little bit. It's a good idea to wear a baseball cap on the day of your road test so that they see that you're moving your head. They'll see this part here in their peripheral vision. They want you to check 90 degrees left and 90 degrees right. You can keep your speed up though. I just want to see a scan for not only trains, but those kind of trucks there with the train wheels too. And so we have these speed bumps, suggested 30, but that's too slow. The speed bumps are really flat here.
Okay.
You're probably familiar with them.
Yeah.
And it's not necessary to bring it down to 30. It's just a suggestion. It's actually a 50 zone, and even this car here can handle those bumps at 50. Yeah. It's more like, you know, smart cars or something. They might have to slow it down to 30. Otherwise the coffee will go flying, the phone will go flying. We're going to go straight at the lights. A little more to the right so that they have room on the left here to get into that turning lane. Right on. So I guess for the first 2 years of high school, you had to be online, eh? At home? Jeez, I feel bad for you guys, man.
It was pretty rough.
Oh, I guess. I'd go out of my mind if I had to do that. But you get through it, eh? Humans are resilient. So I'm okay, now he's got a signal on. All right. You know who has the right of way when the light turns green?
He should.
If he's turning left and you're going straight?
Oh no. There's no advanced green.
Right, exactly. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, if he had an advanced green, then sure.
Yeah. Looks like someone lost their feet.
Oh, yeah. How do people do that, eh?
I don't know.
It's weird. See shoes, like a shoe somewhere.